What in the world? Oh my god. What in the world? Drop a like on this video if you guys enjoyed. Comment down below your thoughts and your opinions about the video. Make sure to subscribe with post notifications on so you stay notified on every single video. Also, follow my social media so stay tuned for updates for incoming videos. Thank you. Hello everyone, Dylan here, and welcome back to another reaction video. So, we will be reacting to how to install Red Dead Redemption 2 on PC. So, I know that, well, this is by HowToBasic, but I know that I'm like 3 days late exactly. Well, I didn't get the notification and I didn't know that HowToBasic uploaded until yesterday, and I already had a few videos out, and I was out places yesterday, so yeah, I am sorry about that. So happy Thanksgiving to all of you guys. I am thankful for my family and friends. Comment down below what you guys are thankful for. So yeah, let's get this started in 3, 2, 1, let's go. How to install Red Dead Redemption 2 on PC. Oh, that had to hurt. Remove disk from PlayStation. Insert disk into your PC. I don't know if it will work. Oh my god. Yo. Oh wow, got the BSOD, man. Uh-oh. Oh my god, how does that even work? Is that even possible? Wait, is that tomato sauce or ketchup? It might be tomato sauce, or probably. Whoa, what in the world? What in the world? Oh my god. What in the world? Oh my god. This will be definitely in the beginning of the video. Oh god, oh my god, doing a piggyback. How does that even work? This is, man, weird. Thank god I was over, if you know what I mean. Oh my god. Don't do that! That's dangerous if you do that, man. Wow. Wow. Good job. That was fun in the beginning. Oh man. Well guys, this was a weird video, but it was really funny as well. I enjoyed it anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you guys will stay notified on every single video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we're on the road to 700 subscribers. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.